Hi, I'm Ethynn from YOUKNOW Technologies, and today we're going to take a look at how you can do more in less time using Hootsuite and the Owly Writer AI. What this is a feature within the platform that makes creating copy for your social media content an absolute breeze. So these are the options that you can choose from, as you can see here. I personally love the name. I think it's a great play considering the icon is an owl. So let's say, for example, we'd like to get inspired for a new post. Maybe it's going to be about coffee in here. Let it do its thing. It's going to give us another prompt now. Maybe we'd like some seasonal coffee drinks, for example, and it's going to take it a step further. Well, we're going to be presented with some suggested copies and a few hashtags that may be relevant. From here, we can immediately create a post or go back and improve on these and make them your own. Not only can it inspire you for new content, which is great. What I personally love is using it to turn blog posts that our marketing team create into content that I can then go post on my LinkedIn. So for example, I just grab this link here, pop it in here, give it a sec again. And then what I have here are some really great posts that I can just take straight to my LinkedIn and post about and kind of piggyback on all the hard work of our marketing team are getting. But this is really cool for kickstarting your team and getting all this content out there really quickly, really efficiently, and making sure that you are prepared for any scenario. So for example, these holiday posts, you can repurpose your top posts that are here depending on which social network you're looking at. So maybe we want to look at our Instagram. And this particular post did really well. So what the AI will then do for us is repurpose this post into something that we could then post again, considering it did so well. Not exactly the same, but just similar enough. And these are just some of the cool things that you can do using this Owly Writer AI. I encourage you, if you are using the platform, to dive in and try it out, see what you can do. If you're not, please reach out to us to learn more about Hootsuite. And now you know.